Hello, in this video, I'm going to create a bucket using the archive storage tier, and then I'm going to upload an object, right, an image to that bucket, and we are going to see how the image is going to, you know, behave. In other words, we are going to see how, if you want to retrieve that image from that bucket, how everything works. So let's get right into it. So I'll come to navigation menu, then I'll come to storage, bucket, and I'm going to click on create bucket. So previously I already created a bucket with, in another video, I created a bucket with a standard, you know, storage tier. So for this one, I'm going to use the archive storage tier. So I'm going to click on archive. Then I'll change the name here to just put ARC and just click on create. Okay, so it has been created now, right? So you see it's archive and automatically it's private. So let me upload an object. So I'll click on objects, select files, and I'll click on this. Okay, and I'll click on upload. So it's finished. So close this. Let's see if we can. So this object now, right? This is the object. This object is inside this bucket, right? So let's see if we can access this object. So I'll copy the URL, then I'll come to my browser, paste. Okay, we cannot access it, right? It's private, right? The bucket is private, so we can't access the objects that are inside. So now, how can we access it? Now, one thing about the um, archive, storage tier is that usually you store objects in this storage tier if you don't frequently interact with that object, right? So if it's not something, if it's an object that you don't frequently interact with, or when you want to get the data stored there, it's not something that you have to get like right now. So if it's those kind of objects, you store it here. So if I want to access this now, let me change this, visibility to public, and let me see if I can still access this object. So I'll come to edit visibility, public, save changes, and then I'll come back and reload. You see, I still can't access it, right? So for me to be able to access this object, say object in archive tier, you know, needs to be restored. So I need to restore it before I can access it. Even though the bucket is now public, I still cannot immediately access it. So I need to come to the object in question. Then when I come here, you will see restore. So once I click on restore, right, say restore the object from the archive storage, and then this option, I can just click on restore object, right? It says by default, you have 24 hours to download the object. You can instead specify an available, for download time of 1 to 240 hours. So I can just click on restore object, and then you see archive restoring. So it's not something that I can just easily get like that, unlike the other type of storage tier, the standard type of storage tier. So even you see that it's taking time restoring, right? So if I go back to my browser and I reload, you see, I can't easily access it. So knowing the difference between the two types of storage tier will really help you, right? When you want to store your objects, which one to choose? Is it the standard or the storage? So that's it. I hope this video helps. Thank you.